Pain is a complex and essential sensation that alerts us to injury or potential harm, prompting us to react and protect our bodies. It serves as a vital defense mechanism, ensuring our survival. But how exactly does the body detect and process pain? The answer lies in the intricate workings of the nervous system, particularly through specialized receptors, nerves, and brain pathways that help us perceive pain. Pain is defined as an unpleasant sensory and emotional experience associated with actual or potential tissue damage. While the sensation is unpleasant, pain is crucial for survival because it warns us when something is wrong with our bodies. Pain can be acute, short-term, like when you accidentally touch a hot stove, or chronic, long-term, such as ongoing back pain. Pain begins with the activation of specialized sensory receptors called nociceptors. These receptors are found in the skin, muscles, joints, and internal organs, and they respond to harmful stimuli such as heat, cold, pressure, or chemicals released from damaged tissues. Nociceptors detect these stimuli and convert them into electrical signals, a process known as transduction. There are different types of nociceptors, each sensitive to specific forms of damage. Thermal nociceptors respond to extreme temperatures. Mechanical nociceptors detect physical damage from pressure or injury. Chemical nociceptors react to chemicals released during inflammation or tissue damage. Once nociceptors are activated, they send electrical impulses through afferent nerve fibers to the spinal cord and brain. There are two main types of fibers involved in transmitting pain. A-delta fibers. These are fast-conducting fibers that carry sharp, immediate pain, like the pain you feel when you cut your finger. The sensation is typically brief and allows for a quick reaction, such as pulling your hand away. C-fibers. These are slower-conducting fibers that carry dull, aching, or throbbing pain, which is often longer-lasting, such as the soreness after a muscle strain. The signals travel through the dorsal horn of the spinal cord, where they are processed and relayed to different parts of the brain for further interpretation. Once the pain signals reach the brain, they are processed in several areas. The thalamus acts as a relay station, directing the pain signals to various regions of the brain. The somatosensory cortex helps localize where the pain is coming from and determines its intensity. The limbic system is involved in the emotional response to pain, which is why pain can trigger feelings of distress or discomfort. The prefrontal cortex helps with the interpretation and decision-making processes related to pain, such as deciding how to respond to the pain or what action to take. Together, these brain regions allow us to experience pain not only as a physical sensation, but also as an emotional and cognitive experience. Interestingly, the body has mechanisms to modulate or lessen the sensation of pain. This process is called pain modulation and involves both the brain and spinal cord. For example, the brain can release endorphins, natural pain-relieving chemicals that act similarly to opioids. These chemicals can inhibit the transmission of pain signals and reduce the perception of pain. The gate control theory also explains how pain can be modulated at the spinal cord level. According to this theory, non-painful input, such as rubbing the skin, can close the gate to painful input, thus reducing the sensation of pain. This is why massaging an injured area often provides some relief. While acute pain is a protective response to injury, chronic pain is different. It persists beyond the typical healing time and can last for months or even years. Chronic pain often involves changes in how the nervous system processes pain signals, and the body becomes more sensitive to pain over time, a condition known as central sensitization. This makes even mild stimuli feel painful. Chronic pain is more complex because it often involves emotional, psychological, and social factors. Conditions like arthritis, fibromyalgia, and nerve damage can cause chronic pain, and it often requires a multidisciplinary approach to treatment, including medication, physical therapy, and psychological support. Because pain is a multifaceted experience, treating it requires a combination of approaches. For acute pain, over-the-counter pain relievers like ibuprofen or acetaminophen are often effective. For more severe pain, prescription medications such as opioids may be used, though they carry a risk of addiction if not carefully managed. Non-pharmaceutical treatments such as physical therapy, acupuncture, and cognitive behavioral therapy are also commonly used, especially for chronic pain management. Additionally, relaxation techniques like meditation and mindfulness can help people cope with pain by reducing stress and improving emotional well-being. Pain is a vital sensation that protects us from harm by alerting us to injury or damage. The process of feeling pain begins with nociceptors detecting harmful stimuli and sending signals through the nervous system to the brain, where they are processed and interpreted.